Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Android apps that won't open up on your screen. This issue can be frustrating because it prevents you from using your apps. We have several solutions you can try, whether the problem affects many apps or just one. So go ahead and open your system settings on your phone, scroll down, and then select the apps option. Then after, you need to again scroll down and find the option of Google Play Services. You can also use the search bar in the top right. Search for Google Play Services and tap on it. Scroll down, select Storage, and click on Clear Cache. You can also clear all the data, but make sure that it deletes all the files, applications, your login credentials, and all. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Now come back and find the Google Play Store application. You can use the search bar and search for Google Play Store. Select it and scroll down, click on Storage, then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. If the problem is with specific app, you can follow the same steps for that application as well. But after clearing the cache and data for the relevant applications, tap and hold the side power button, and when the pop-up appears, press and restart. And hopefully, once your device restarts, the problem will be resolved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.